Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on how to create a new partition in Windows 10. Let's start by opening Disk Management, the built-in tool in Windows 10 that allows us to manage our drives. Search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click to open it. Now that we're in Disk Management, let's select the disk where we want to create the new partition. Identify the disk. Right-click on it. And choose Shrink Volume. In this step, we'll specify the size of the new partition and create it. Specify the size and click on Shrink. Now, let's format the newly created partition so that it's ready for use. Right-click on the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. Follow the New Simple Volume wizard to format the partition with desired settings, like assigning a drive letter, file system, and volume label. Check File Explorer. Drive is ready. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.